Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your analytics data with Google Analytics detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your analytics data with Google Analytics, start by reviewing your account permissions. Ensure that only trusted users have access to your analytics data. Navigate to the admin section of Google Analytics. In the account column, select User Management. Check the list of users who currently have access. Remove users who no longer need access to your data. Next, set up two-factor authentication for your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security to your data. Proceed to verify the data filters you have in place. Filters help to ensure that only relevant data is collected. Create filters to exclude internal traffic from your reports. Use the IP address of your organization to set this up. Next, consider enabling data retention settings. These settings determine how long data is stored in your Google Analytics account. Adjust the retention settings according to your business needs. Now, turn on IP anonymization in your tracking code. This masks user IP addresses, enhancing privacy for visitors. After that, review your data sharing settings. In the admin section, navigate to the account settings. Decide whether to share data with Google for benchmarking and technical support. If you choose to limit data sharing, uncheck the relevant boxes. Regularly audit your Google Analytics setup. Check for any outdated filters, views, or users. Lastly, stay updated on data protection regulations such as GDPR. Ensure that your analytics practices comply with these regulations. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your analytics data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.